With the Ethereum ETF now approved on May 23rd, 2024, you guys might be wondering right now what? Why hasn't the price of Ethereum gone up? And what's going to happen next? Well, in this video, we're going to explain what's going to happen next now that Ethereum has been approved for an ETF, a spot ETF in the United States. Let's go ahead and look at this article here by The Block, which was written by Tim Copeland. Okay, I'm just going to read this article for you guys. Okay, and it says that 8 Ethereum ETFs were approved earlier today in an omnibus order. However, it may be weeks or even months before the S1 registration statements are approved and the products are made available for trading. Okay. 8 spot Ethereum ETFs were approved, and yet it will be a while longer before they go live. The SEC approved the 19B forms, okay, for Ethereum ETFs, which includes offerings from BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale. For these products to start trading, however, their S1 registration statements need to go effective, okay. When the Bitcoin ETFs were approved back in January of 2024, the S1 forms were ready ahead of the 19B for approvals. This resulted in the S1 forms becoming effective with trading beginning the following day, okay? What's different for the Ethereum ETFs is that the SEC hadn't been engaging with the issuers until early in the week. Early in May, like May 19th, okay? Pundits have speculated it may have been a political decision behind this last-minute change of heart. Now, while the issuers were able to turn around the 19B forms quickly ahead of today's deadline for the VanEck ETF deadline, there hasn't been much communication regarding the S1 forms. The S1 forms still have much work to do, according to sources close to process. They said it could take weeks to resolve any issues, but this depends on how responsive the SEC is. As such, the exchanges and issuers haven't even begun talking about putting the products live, okay? This matches estimates by industry experts. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balkanis told The Block in a recent interview ahead of 19B for approvals that, I quote, "I don't know how fast the fast track is, but it's going to be probably a mad scramble for the next couple of days, maybe even weeks, depending on the S1s." And Galaxy Digital predicts that spot Ethereum ETFs will be listed on exchanges in July or August. Spot Ethereum ETFs have significantly greater risk profiles than spot Bitcoin ETFs, which could prolong regulators' decision-making on the funds, Galaxy Digital said in the report. Following today's order, it's likely that the SEC will start to provide feedback to the issuers about their S1 forms and work with them to get them ready. Only once this has taken place and exchanges have become prepared, trading can begin. As a result, while the Ethereum ETFs have been approved, they may not start trading for a few weeks, perhaps longer or shorter, depending upon the agency's urgency. Okay, so the price of Ethereum hasn't really done much, all right, since it got approved. Okay, this is just looking at the daily chart. We got as high as about 39.47 on Thursday, May 23rd. And then we end up closing the day out at 37.80. Okay. And we're not really doing much here going into Friday here as well. As if the only way that the price of Ethereum will be able to go up is if people start buying more Ethereum at these prices that we're currently trading at. And the banks and institutions, they are not able to start buying Ethereum yet because the product hasn't gone live yet. There's a lot more work that needs to be done. But the good news for Ethereum investors is that we're on our way there, okay? We're on our way and we're on a path to actually get a spot Ethereum ETF in America. What needs to happen now is, we need more investors and more people to get excited about Ethereum for the prices to go higher in the meantime, until those banks and institutions are ready to start buying by the boatload for more Ethereum. And we had some of that fever speculation of higher prices. We had that earlier in the week on Monday, May 20th, okay, where Ethereum went up 19% in one day. So it can be said that the move has already been made. The price has already been priced in. Ethereum has already had its big move already going into the decision on Thursday for the spot ETF. So with all that being said, okay, could we go to higher prices? Yeah. Could we go to lower prices? Possible. Okay. But now that we know that the spot Ethereum ETF is on its way, it's very hard to believe that we're ever going to get down to lower prices here for Ethereum. At least the likelihood is very low now that everybody knows that the spot Ethereum ETF is on its way. Okay. That's what I wanted to share with you guys here. I wanted you guys to understand why the price of Ethereum hasn't really shot up. And that's because the banks and institutions are not able to buy it right now. But it will be coming. And according to Galaxy Digital, it might be sometime in July or August because there's still much work to be done. This was a little bit of a surprise for everybody, even for the SEC. Some people are saying that it's politically motivated because the Democrats and Joe Biden and his administration don't want to be viewed as anti-crypto. And that is why we had this last minute decision. Could have been done purposely, knowing that there's much work to be done, and they just wanted to throw a curveball on everybody. Okay, but needless to say, it's been approved and it's coming. Okay, so if anything, as a investor in crypto, and once again, I'm not a financial advisor, please don't sue me, bro, but if prices of Ethereum do go down from where they are right now, and that price right now is currently trading at 37.25, okay, if we do see lower prices than that, then those should be buying opportunities for Ethereum investors, okay, because the big institutions and banks are on their way, and they're probably going to want to get the price of Ethereum at 37.25, but they can't. So you have an opportunity as a retail investor to get in before the big guys, the big institutions get in. And that's an opportunity that most other investors, including stock investors, wish they had, okay? You now have a chance to get into Ethereum, a very hot asset to have in 2024 before the banks and institutions can get their hands on it. So trade accordingly, place your bets accordingly, okay? But this is just more good news for cryptocurrencies, the crypto market, and for especially Ethereum investors out there. And I will once again like to say congratulations to all the Ethereum and crypto investors out there. This is only the beginning, okay? And if you enjoy this video, please go ahead and click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe, and so that way you can see more videos like this on your YouTube feed. And yeah, I will be making more videos like this in the future about the crypto markets. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to learn as much as you can on my crypto YouTube channel, Meet Damien here. Okay. Once again, this has been another video on the Meet Damien channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.